Guys, welcome to another episode of unboxing with Amiable. Okay, so let's see what's inside made in China. Let's see what's inside this carton. Let's open it and let's see. Okay, so see what's inside. Ooh, it's very heavy. So it's set of ceramic dinner set of plates. So I'm going to be bringing it out because this is very heavy, so I have to carry it carefully. Okay, so let me pause the video. Okay guys, so this, we have the flat one, we have this is a soup plate, we have this semi-flat, and then we have the cup. It's 16 pieces set, 16 pieces dinner set. So each one comes 4 each. This 4, this 4, this 4, this 4. So let's bring them out and see. So see the cup is ceramic. Look at the cup, very big. It's in 4 sets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see them, right? It's breakable. So this is it. It's 4. So let's see the next one. This also 4. Then let's see the soup one. The soup on is giving me joy. I love it. Look at it. It's very big. It's giving me so much joy because it's big, like very big. See, it's also 4. So this is what we have here. Putting it back is the issue. Okay. So we have it. This is for house use, not for sale. Okay, I bought it to use. It's not for sale. I actually wanted to test and see how quality it is and how safe it will get to me before I post it on my group and buy it in bulk. Right. So this is mine for my use. It's not for sale. So guys, thank you for staying till the end of this video. See you in my next unboxing video.